Guys, fuck copying and pasting businesses from Google into an Excel sheet. Fuck that shit. No more. It's too time consuming and it sucks ass. Okay guys, so welcome back to my channel. Montel Gordon here for the don't worry why I've got my hood up right now. I've been in my Einstein mode for the past call it 4 days. I've just been straight hood up, earphones in, grinding out, because I noticed a big problem with SMMA. A lot of people that teach SMMA just teach you when it comes to prospecting. Let me break the business model down. You've got to help businesses to then land a meeting, to then pitch your services, to then sell your services. So it all starts with lead sourcing. That's the root of the problem. That's like the top of the pyramid. It starts at lead sourcing, contacting, meeting, then selling. You see the pyramid? You see the problem with lead sourcing is that it just takes too fucking long, in my opinion. Not even in my opinion. I'll break the numbers down properly on the computer first, and then you'd start to see what I'm talking about. But let me give you an overview of how I was running my business model. So what I was doing was I was going to places like Yell.com, like Yellow Pages. I was going to Yelp.com. I was going to TripAdvisor. I was going to Google Listings. And I was literally manually going through all the business listings in my niche. So I would type in stuff like restaurants in Sheffield being my city. And I was copying and pasting each and every business into an Excel sheet. Now that sounds like what you're supposed to do and it's what everyone teaches. But yo, that is so fucking time consuming. Like, no joke. Like, especially if you're taking down the business's name, their address, their number, details about the business such as whether or not they got Facebook Pixel. Just copying one business on average for me was taking at least 5 minutes. I'll repeat that. On average, it was taking at least 5 minutes for one business. So the reason I'm shooting this video for you guys is that I want to tell you that those fucking copying and pasting times are over. Done. Finito, my friends. Finito. First of all, let me just break down some maths on what the type of numbers I was looking at. Alright, cool. Because I knew it was taking me roughly around 5 minutes to prospect one business, I knew that I was gonna have to spend the whole of Monday and the whole of Tuesday just copying and pasting and lead sourcing and getting the businesses ready in an Excel sheet, copied up and pasted, in order for me to call back to back or email back to back, because I like to work in a way where everything's set out in front of me and I don't have to mess around clicking over shit. One number down, one number in, one number down, one number in, that type of thing. You see, I like to keep shit flowing. So my original plan was to prospect 150 businesses on Monday, get them lined up in an Excel sheet, and then do the exact same for Tuesday. So I would have 300 businesses already lined up in an Excel sheet to hit up on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Saturday and Sundays I spend on my personal brand, shooting content for you guys. So if I do the maths, 150 businesses copied and paste into an Excel sheet, and it takes me 5 minutes each. That's 750 minutes, you guys. 750 minutes. That's fucking 12.5 hours of straight copying and pasting back to back. Nah. Fuck that. And I was gonna spend 2 days of doing that, so 25 hours in total. Nah. Definitely fuck that. So I started to realize that this was a problem in my business because I wasn't able to prospect enough businesses on time, which was fucking up the whole rest of the conveyor belt. So it fucks up the first bit, which is not getting enough prospects down on the Excel sheet. Then I'm not contacting enough businesses, I'm not getting enough meetings, I'm not getting enough sales. So it all starts with prospecting and how many businesses you can get down in an hour or in a day for my business. So I went ahead and I looked around the internet rigorously, very fucking rigorously. Like I was pulling my hair out. I was watching tutorials that wasn't even in English to try and work out some sort of automation to put in place. Yes, there is things like d7leadfinder.com, and I start to notice problems such as one, on the free version of it, it limits you to how many searches you get to one. You can only search once a day. Another problem with that, so problem two, is that because you are on the free version of it, it restricts how much data you can actually see. So for example, it will only give you the name of the business and the phone number, but it doesn't give you the website or the email details, which fucking sucks. The third problem with D7 Lead Finder is that I noticed that some of the numbers I was getting back on the free version just were blank numbers. They were like numbers like 01142000000. So obviously you can't call that number, it's a blank number. So D7 Lead Finder was out the window. So I started looking into data scraping, like actually scraping websites for data, and I came across a couple of good like Google extensions and shit. You know, what you have on the sidebar of Google Chrome. Started using some of them, but I noticed that most of them, they worked fast, they got a lot of data down, but they didn't get every field I wanted to collect. So for example, some of them, like Data Miner, would bring back like the name of the business, the phone number of the business, and the website of the business, but it wouldn't go in and grab the email as well. And I want to do a lot of emails plus cold calling. So yeah, this was another problem with some of these data mining softwares out there, that some of them just didn't allow you to customize and allow you to select certain fields of data you want to extract from the website. It didn't allow you to create a custom sitemap and allow you to customize what sort of data you're extracting from these websites. Now, this is when I actually managed to find a secret software that I'm working on right now. Well, not that I'm working on it, but you have to kind of know what you're doing with the software for it to be useful. I mean, I could just give you the name, but giving you the name alone wouldn't be enough for you to use it. You have to actually go into the software and create a custom sitemap. Basically, it's a little bit technical, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and write an ebook on how to do this, which will be coming soon in the up and coming weeks, so definitely stay tuned for that. But first of all, guys, I just want to test this first before I push it out to you guys. So for now, it's actually looking like it's working tremendously. It's saved me a ton of time, guys. Let me give you some of the numbers that it's actually helped me with. The other day, I kid you not, I was able to scrape 1,255 businesses in under 24 hours. I think it was around 16 hours. I literally just left my computer running after I finished work, and I went to sleep, woke up, and I had 1,255 businesses that I didn't have to copy and paste. It had all the businesses' names, all the email addresses, correct phone numbers. I even managed to, because I set up a custom sitemap, I was even able to extract other fields of data, such as the rank of the restaurant. I was actually doing a restaurant niche, so I actually extracted the rank, how highly that restaurant was ranked. I was able to pull how many reviews the restaurant's got. I even managed to pull the average price point of the restaurant, because on TripAdvisor, where I was extracting the data from, because TripAdvisor allows you to see what a restaurant's average price is. So I was able to take all that data down without having to copy and paste a single thing. Then I was able to export that as a CSV file, upload that straight into Excel, and I had 1,255 businesses in a single day ready to call. Let me just give you an idea of how long that would have taken me. That would have taken me a whopping 6,275 minutes if I was copying and pasting them manually. Probably even more, because I was actually collecting more data than just the name, email, phone number, and stuff like that. I was actually taking the reviews down, the rank of the restaurant, the average price. I was even taking the opening hours of the restaurant, so I know when to contact the business. And do you know what the great thing is about this software that I've come across? It allows you to extract data from any website in the world. It could be fucking Yellow Pages, Yelp. It could be straight directly off of Google. It could be from Facebook, could be from LinkedIn, anywhere. It's because it allows you to create a custom sitemap. And I'm going to be writing an ebook on this, giving you guys my whole script that I'm using in my email list, because I've actually got a website audit from using this method, got a ton of businesses. I managed to email blast them all. Right now I'm emailing thousands of businesses a day, although that's not good because you can get your email blocked and banned and shit like that. But I talk about this all in my ebook that's coming. But yeah guys, it has boosted my productivity 10,000 times fold. Like, it's been ridiculous, a lifesaver. Not only has it saved me time, it saved me pain and ache of copying and pasting. Fuck me, I love this software. I love this shit. So guys, if you guys think that writing an ebook would be the best thing to do, because I actually do believe it will be, because I don't think I'll be able to explain it as good in video. I want to give you guys real screenshots, in-depth tutorial on it. I'll even give you guys my sitemaps, because when you build a sitemap's basically you tell the software what you want it to extract, what pages it needs to click on to get the data you want. I'll actually give you guys my sitemaps for TripAdvisor. If you're in a restaurant niche, you should know that TripAdvisor is probably one of the best databases to get restaurants from, just because it's just seen as a necessity to businesses, to restaurant businesses, to have a good TripAdvisor. But like I said, the data scraper works for any website in the entire world. Any website. It's completely free and it saves you so much fucking time. You don't have to copy and paste shit. Anyway guys, drop me what you think about what I should do, whether I should write an ebook on this or not. I know how long it takes to copy and paste and lead source. Too fucking long. You shouldn't be spending your time doing shit like that. Should be out making sales, contacting businesses, landing meetings, IPAs, income producing activities. That's what you should be focusing your time on. Anyway guys, that's all for today's video. Please drop me a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.